What is going on, YouTube? This is MOTOSARGE signing in, and today I just got word that a part that I ordered for the Dyna is on the doorstep back at the house. Stoked. It's something I've been, wanting to do for a while now to the Dyna, and I've kind of, been getting sidetracked with other mods. I don't know if you guys have this issue, but prioritizing what to do to the Dyna is something that I struggle with. It's I know everything I want for it, but when do I purchase that specific part, right? I mean, we always get sidetracked. There's always something bigger and better that we want on our bike, or something newer that we want on our bike, and finding, that one part to finally get on here, which is going to make this Harley a little bit safer for me when it comes to night riding, of course. I've been battling these stock headlights, so let's get on with today's video and see what these new headlights are all about. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning into another video. If you guys are new to the channel, I bring you along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. And we're at it. Don't forget to ring that bell icon to receive email alerts when I upload some new content. Like I discussed a little bit in the intro, today I got good news that my HogWorkz blacked out LED headlights are back at the house. They just got there. I guess UPS finally delivered them. It's only been a couple days since I've ordered them, so kind of shocked that they're already here. But feel like we're just gonna, when we get back to the house, we definitely are gonna do an unboxing and an install video. I haven't done any real install videos on the channel, but I feel that if you don't really, stretch yourself and see exactly what it is that you can put together, you'll never know your true potential. So I figured, why not? With these headlights, it should be fairly easy. I'm not really mechanically gifted, but we're gonna see, guys, at how hard this could be once we get back to the house. But for now, we're just gonna kind of ride around, talk about the headlight a little bit, and then we'll get it into the garage and install this dang thing. I've been looking at several different headlights. If you guys own a 2016 or older Fat Bob, when it comes to doing the headlights, it's extremely difficult to find stuff out there on the market that fits this style bike, right? With the dual headlight up front, there's not too much as far as choices go. There are some companies that I do wish kind of made one, especially Rogue Rider Industries, because they have some pretty sick headlights, and it would be kind of nice to have that on this. But since I don't have a solo headlight, I had to get to searching online, and looking at Amazon. There's some Amazon headlights out there. I forget the different brands that are there, but there's only a few, and they're around 120 bucks. So the price kind of had me intrigued, just because it's super cheap. So it's like, hey, if it only works for so long, then so be it. Because Harley Davidson's, getting their LED headlight, I couldn't do, man. I don't know. Over $200 on a headlight. I know it is big as far as safety goes for your motorcycle, especially when you ride at night. There's a lot of other parts. I want to buy for the Dyna, so I try to cut costs wherever I can, and looking at the HogWorkz, it feels like they get decent reviews and they've been around for a while. And I did reach out to them specifically on their chat just to make sure, because some of the reviews said that the headlight isn't like a true fit, right? It means like the connector was too tight or something like that, and some people were having to electrical tape it together, which I don't want to do. I want it to fit how it's supposed to fit, as close to OEM as possible, and they assured me that that's not the case. The install should fit just like the stock headlight. Now the connection is tight, so you do have to use some pliers or whatnot to get it to cinch down. But we're gonna check that out later. We're definitely gonna check it out later. And then the price point on these things, it's only $219 for these headlights. So I mean, it is a lot of money, but it's not as much as if I went to Harley Davidson and ordered one of theirs. Now theirs is probably brighter. It's probably holds up better in the weather and whatnot, and it is probably more true to size when it goes into the headlight housing here on the dyno, but we're gonna check it out, guys. I'm gonna bring you into my garage for the very first time, or I take that back, for the second time, but for the first time for an unboxing and an install. So let's go ahead and get into the garage, guys. What? Maddox Dawson. What is up with your nose, girl? Crazy coloring. Welcome to the garage, guys. Let's get over here and check out these HogWorkz LED headlights. All right, as you guys can see from walking into the garage, we got a packed house. I'm only missing one of the kids out here right now because Addie seems to be, you know, taking advantage of the quiet time inside the house. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out this unboxing of the HogWorkz LED headlights for my 2016 Dyna Fat Bob. And then I've had these for a few days now and it's been killing me. I want to install them, but I wanted to kind of unbox this. This is the first unboxing of the channel, so I'm kind of excited. Not going to be anything too special, but we're starting. So in here, of course, a little styrofoam sleeve over the top, and then inside the box comes with a pretty sick looking HogWorkz sticker. So that's going to go on this workbench I got with all these other stickers over here that I'm collecting. And let's go ahead and pull this thing out of the box. That thing looks sick. They feel like they're made really good. I mean, you got your wire and the plug here. This adapter piece that a lot of the reviews, everyone was complaining about this. They're saying it's really, really tight. So you have to take, unfortunately, you got to take a pair of pliers to get these to clip on inside of the housing. So I think that's the only thing with these headlights that people have complained about, really. Some of the other ones that you could find on Amazon, right? A lot of people are saying that this piece was too deep and you're having to grind this away. And I was not going to try to do that, although I could have saved a couple, like $120 or so going with some of the other brands, but I didn't want to do that. And this is supposed to fit really true to size. So that's it, guys. That's the unboxing of the HogWorkz blacked out LED headlights for a 2016 Dyna Fat Bob. So now I'll go ahead and get to installing these bad boys. You know, there's not any instructions in here that come with the headlights, but I'm sure if you hop on HogWorkz website, they probably have something on there, but they're plug and play, so it should be relatively pretty easy. I should knock on wood, because anytime I say that, it tends to be a much longer process of the install. But we're gonna go ahead and get in and dive into doing this install.